What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix the error which says your device is missing important security and quality fixes on Windows 10. I'll tell you the method which you have to use to fix this problem, but before going further I would like to tell you this is the advanced method to fix this error. If you haven't tried the basic step to fix this method, then I would recommend you to check that video and watch that video, and I have mentioned the link in the description. Without further ado, let's talk about the methods. Method 5. Reset services. To reset services, you have to run some services and you have to stop them as well. In first place, you have to stop them and then you have to start those services. To do that, type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Here you have to type some command. I have mentioned all command in the description, so you can copy those commands. The first command is related to Windows Update Services. Let me type in here so that you can understand it properly. Net space stop wuauserv. Press enter. The Windows Update service is stopping and it is stopped successfully. After that, you have to run some other commands as well to stop the services. There are the other commands as well with the name of Ren C /Windows software distribution. Here I like to mention one more thing. Software distribution is a place where Windows 10 store all the updated file temporarily in software distribution folder. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create SoftwareDistribution.old with the use of the command, and by doing that we can able to replace the old folder, and when you do a restart it will create a new folder and give you an access to update your Windows 10. After running all of the command we have mentioned in the description, first stopping it, then restarting all of that, and after that whenever you'll reboot your PC after stopping and running all the services, it will create a new folder with the name catroot2, and in that all of the installation signature will be saved. So you have to make sure you run all of the command. So there are the 4 commands you have to run to stop the services, and afterward you have to start those services again. Method 6. Registry. Here you have to download a registry file, and don't worry about it, that file is completely secure. You have to download that .reg file, and after downloading it you can run that file in your Windows PC. I'll leave the link in the description for that .reg file. Simply click on it, install it, run it. It will ask some questions. It will show you a screen to click on yes or no. You have to click on yes, allow it, and afterward you have to run one more command with the name of net space start space Windows Update Services, which I just shown you in method 5. Method 7. Reset PC. Here you can reset your PC if none of the option is helping you to fix your error message. To reset your PC, click on Start, click on Settings, scroll it down, click on Update and Security, click on Recovery. Here click on Get Started, select Keep My File, and you can reset your PC. Or there are some better way as well to fix your error message. If you want to learn about those methods, how you can fix your problem without resetting your PC, then the link given in the comment section, you can check out that video. By those methods you can fix your problem with 100% surety. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.